The long-standing ties or bonds between the Philippines and France is in pursuit of truth, justice, and democracy. And in later years, this has been founded also on our common fight, our advocacy on climate change and sustainability. And CHED is truly proud of our relationship with the French Embassy on many endeavors. We had a partnership on scholarships during the time of the transition under the K-12 law. We also had a delegation, an exchange delegation of university presidents from French universities and Philippine universities. The FEPR project is truly one of the most notable, if not exemplar, programs between the Philippines and the French Embassy. It is founded on student mobility, improving capacity of our universities, and expanding partnership and collaboration between Philippine institutions and French universities. We're also particularly proud because it is very inclusive. These are not just big universities that have joined the project. We have also local college like the Mabalacat City College and a college in Cotabato, the Holy Child Colleges. And if you listen from all their narratives after the event, it was truly a life-changing experience for them, for the representatives that attended, but more so for their institution. It opened to them the whole world of possibility of European connections, of the French connections most especially. And I know that we have started in small steps, but this will grow into something bigger and truly will connect to the ideals and values that both our countries espouse. So thank you so much, French Embassy. We look forward to more engagement, to more partnership, and together we are truly building a better, brighter, healthier, and more sustainable world. Thank you. Maraming salamat. Merci beaucoup.